Time no day unipa. Mo wanem bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya huda nu botumu au minia. Mo wanem bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day.
What are you doing here?
I came to apologize to you.
Oh, I'm from take us home. Huh? What are you?
I've realized that what I did was bad. I know that when you get money it's for both of us, and then when I get money it's for both of us as well. So
you say answer ya ko catch off ko shini we no na be di matel. What don't go na je chema no na help for me boa. And you any help for me boa. Yo.
Kobe, please, we want to come back. We don't know the guy we are with right now. So it's not safe, please.
Me no for sound. Me no obi ija obi an myself for me go fa me ex back o. Ade am plan say me obi ija na go fa me back. David.
But I'm not your ex. We've not broken up. You just sacked me from your place.
Me no want me no jai me catch na o me no ni hwe bi finish akọ.
Please, I'm sorry.
Finish akọ.
Oh.
Finish akọ.
Why is there someone in your room right now?
Just
left.
Hey, Pico. Refi. Franco.
Oh, please. Right now, what should we do? Why don't you? You please do something, then I forgive you. So can't you forgive me?
So how about now? Franco. Huh? Also, Kono. Normal baby, intina. So the best out there, Marco. Nebo. To come on, baby, Papa, intina.
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
Well, the one I know.
Baby, you need to be on a patch. I mean, where you?
I'm in love with you. Please don't do this to me.
Eh?
What do you expect Vaughn to do? What do you expect me to do?
We shall not cry the old can you free me? I can't cry a community mobile, but how you know? We got to be for I'm playing. Then Joey. Meow. Yeah.
Oh, Queen, why are you doing this? You know I'm still in love with you. Why are you doing this?
I don't know.
Why are you insulting me?
It's a good question from the catches.
But that's your name.
If you are.
You should have kneel down, please.
Go.
Oh, Kobe.
What is it in boss? Please go.
Time no day unipa. Mo wanem bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya huda nu botumu au minia. Mo wanem bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday, whether Sunday or Saturday. We dey grind all day for the money.
Why do you?
Just like that.
Boy, my show is coming. Where did you go?
Helen, I went to see a friend on because I was there, yeah.
See what I was talking about? It's okay. This one is what is okay? It's okay. Take your time.
Which friend? Yo, which friend? Adam for Ben, I won't even know around.
You know, me a friend because I like mini bites me because Rabiana.
Me in case only rights to be baby. But also money who baby I walk out again. What's this?
Na me kono me pie na uni wa so metimi akwaba me cover.
Na me phone say na bro. At least a call, bro. I'm around. Me call baby say you know.
Wait. Is he the one you're dating? No, I have to know. Like.
Let's go. Examine call him, bro. Also.
Maybe you don't want to be keeping the company. So
good. I will keep the company. Let me know where you're going. Who call him? I mean, who said, yo, no, bro.
My friend be because I'm like, machine doors and you know, I tell you to pay everything.
Male or female?
Male friend. He's a male friend. I don't know if I'm now. No, it's not.
Why are you talking for him?
It's a female friend. What is male friend?
I'll wait for you inside.
Yo, the game. I don't know so many masiana.
nipa na me call no your ba want to say me friend.
No, why be no here no ba nim say oba why na oka no nim say wonya oba adamfo. Ike mo so. Ade ge no wani hin ho ana.
Me ni no say me be ware oba me ntimi nya oba adamfo ana.
Me be ware no yes, me be ware no ntimi also mani hu baby awoko. Bro, me no ka chance wonya oba adamfo is it? Ibuofo so no so wadwa.
Because
Charlie, we never do a man. I say, Opesemica City on Assisi, but you only name, why only saying, why is saying so what I say? Charlie, best see me court, best in a young Conacopanacho.
me Panacho say, the court visit will be an answer, me command can and answer them, and answer
one, so I could visit you be two, so one can attend, so would let me catch and show bad for be you are wrong in always, bro. Not to tell you wrong, no way anymore. Oba I know the name maka say me ko baby ho ekosra no. Come on, no kan ho. On e ko baby na wan kran ke be ode. Huh? Charlie the game no way the name.
Yeah, ko na me ko na.
Charlie, we guy anya name bisa.
Mom, your boy, dear pa, me, I'm a lifestyle one, me panoquan. I'm a panoquan, a jiwa. I need the truth. Listen, tell me the truth. A dear Potipan, and we are your boy, and what you want.
Uncle,
Papa, you know this guy already. Every day he's angry. Every day he has a quick temper. Every day hitting us and stuff. We didn't even do him anything. Explain the thing.
It was just one guy that saw us and then decided to give us money. We needed money.
You can't say, yeah, but my cousin, yeah, but where's all last summer quarter? You be born for. Oh, can't say, man, yeah, but I send him now on the show. Are you afraid of me?
Uncle, what has happened has happened. I'm just saying that we needed money. And then this nice gentleman decided to give us money. And then he found out and got angry. And then has sacked us from his place. How is that our fault? How is that, Uncle? Tell me.
Just like that.
If somebody meets you today and gives you money, is it your fault? No, it isn't. So he sacked us from the place. And now this gentleman has made us moving. Is that a bad thing?
Say no. Dear Namo, yes,
Right now, we've moved in, but I'm not sure it will be permanent. It's temporary. And it will be very hard for my boyfriend or ex-boyfriend to accept me. So you have to make plans, and if you will give us money so that when we are sacked again, we can use the money to rent a place. Yeah, all we have, but you keep on stressing us. You can just give us money. This thing is something temporary. Maybe it's just for like a month or a week or something. So when you give us the money, we can rent a nice place and then start our lives there. Instead of us depending on guys.
Ejiwa, if I have money, I'm coming my own bro.
Uncle, you have money.
Fifi, coming my own bro. Coming my own mere. Sikano, and now ain't saying a man tom. No, sir, when you be, no, say, be a still with more, Pamphula, one more, the one.
We don't know him from anywhere. How do you expect us to have trust?
And how do you know it's permanent? Maybe it's just for a week. How
maybe he wants something even from
a casa. Na me tamochi, me susu me hu niema na ye. Mo ne nkasa. Mo ne kasa ye kubiano. Odie be so no me hu die me.
Uncle, you too, you are a man. You have wisdom. You can meet him, talk to him. You get to know that. You get to know whether his agenda is different. I know you are smart.
Maybe he has different.
So how can I find them meet the guy?
So I'll let you know. So
I say he comes to the hotel. So
yes.
So let me know.
Okay.
Let me know.
Let me know.
No, yeah.
Low.
I'm saying no, and I'm saying low.
You say let me know.
I know say let me low.
So we'll move there. We've moved there.
We very hard. The number from no. Me yeah, be some money.
Our mother like that. She has passed. We are still.
More really. Ada be man no guy no be ba no. Mom frame me.
Yeah. I'll ask them to come and call me. Yeah. So you talk to him, then you know whether his agenda is right. Because we can't be trusting
if agenda bring it, I will see. Yeah. If I see him as such a nice person or he is good, I will see. Okay.
Okay.
So keep your heart to the keep your head down. Okay? Keep your head down.
And Ron told me you said you will be giving us some money.
Who?
You told me, oh, uncle.
Yala. Zabena catch on memos.
Why you didn't tell him? You said you give us some 50 cedis, B. You see my hair, I have to braid another one. Uncle. Oh
my ear. Texas, so he just doesn't want to tell us.
Uncle. Hey, rich toasted man. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Boy, my friend, my family. I mean, Shiano. I'm an entrance. Okay. One and a quiz was so idea now or keep what the infant dog on the barber.
The ma, in a mini bear. I want the chinam soon. Oh, okay.
Some of the personal play.
No,
what the personal
paying chinam now.
Now, what would your own chinam has a chinam how would you say? Something why would you cry? Would you about a false or false? Would you do school? No, go be school. You know, the near traffic marathon.
I've been telling him you can sell some things to support.
Yes. What every day you put your trouble to me, you put your trouble to your uncle. Huh? Why are you doing like that? 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 Why are you strong on the Jewa? Why are you strong on the Jewa?
I know
American. Strong. Why didn't I strong again? Yeah, why are you packing a Jewa close to Jewa?
I'm so wound your band now in China. Intina the Bialba now Castle Rough. On your bad, I'm a war.
Also, I wouldn't say more.
Yes, I mean, what
no, you have met me as you say, oh, maybe Java. I am Kaka, Fish Cartoon, and I am Maka Pine. Cousin Pampine. How good you got check it, man.
Oh, who am sorry. Kabibia, who am sorry. Respect from the mom. Intia,
listen,
respect.
Don't ever give me respect. Take me like your type.
And I say, come up,
call me boys to men.
Come up, come up, whoa,
Uber boom me.
Guide me, do ya me?
Whoa, boom me.
One of who am sorry.
Who shall about it here? And I come about it. I will beat you now. Kagan curry fee. Kagan curry type. So many type of curry fee.
Try.
Gudera.
Now bashing
Gari. Jaraba. Katambe Baba. I'm joking. Gudera one day you know you have one. Baudumba. Zayan chiro peke kaina kekere kataba usele taba kujere taba yankuna taba so yishaka kai wuni sia mi se wuni
aturu na elam sa
durun ku ya ta mutu
turu na etwa me
market on the metu sen I will show you your teeth. Akwara wo pomo na akwara wo kode. Teaching.
Make
wow. Shame on you. Shame on you. I say shame on you. Common teaching back a year cafe. Nana wo be po ba kokko no na fi so ba kokko ho do. Abuo tuntum na mo na aso pe kokko. Wo pro ba no wo fo fe se ko bi so mo wale ma kokko. What the problem mo face?
We may want to was yama.
What do you want no dey? O di na ti ade no ho no.
Bibi no. Ani ni wo. Oni ni wo ka ko ni ba maniska. Bisam so free me chawa yi.
Uba like nkan na Anchire aside that mean that.
Oh, like original.
But you original. Anchire.
Me be bia original. Me to nyame. Me be bia original.
What ka China na she ka samu anybody to she kada bin or ba kokko she kara gaga. Tuwa. I for break here.
I said I there for. We want to know. Hey, what you are?
Now to know.
Okay, what am I saying? To know. No one. I'm back for I won't be one. You see.
Don't get to know no Abasaba. I don't mean no. Abasaba now in Pamon. My Pamon on the bear 5 times.
Can I use by being a teacher now?
Yeah, you know do.
She can Amanda the Shina.
We red sun.
She can have Taba red go.
We red sun.
Can I Taba red?
Time. Giannis was 3 hours.
No. Now you tell me your secret.
No.
Are you? Can I Taba Chica?
Talk to. What fast me bone to me?
Hey, not shaky. She do. You know to do. Not shaky.
More pressure. What
time? Nim. Now, I'm more fasten closer. I'm Christmas for lunch. Married.
Only I'm to what's not happening on me.
Ah, come on, Joe. Ow! Listen now, Kevin. Stay away from Echiwa. Stay away from Echiwa.
Oh, your corner.
Whoa!
And you remember some cross our baby ship.
Would you my catcher make up?
You have a part of my message in so. Hey, Papa, ya sound. Kebibia, Papa. Papa, na Asantewaa. Enye Papa na Asanka, wo betima de jene ni makasa wo for. O spare to say what? When you said dem nkonya. Ah, so when you say fridge.
Ya ka shiga the fridge.
Ai.
Much fridge and I say dem fridge.
There's so much here. And I don't know what him say. Ah, when him say shoe.
So why na obako?
Him say shoe pan. I found out the memory.
When you nam say you what? When you kakraka say karanda.
Oi, what do you mean calendar?
Time no day unipa. Mo wanem rena peka kana sikaya brancha.
Edin kan nyame hira what? Ani akoma pa ene mwa we share me wo faasi na utime boa me wo faasi no nyame hira wo pa brante hwe enyu bia no be hu obi just like that na wa boa no na we dia mesre wo mani nsan wo ofri ko be so
o mi am akwantum na ba
na wo ba oh my that's good na your folks say
the mo de family the game the game Kasabe Adam
me show son I'm say we name said the game that me American the game you looking like the same person at me what you know what I mean I don't know what you're saying to you.
No, what's America?
Oh yeah, maintain what about me follow me with the mechanical. I maintain what every course na makoda. Every course na me every course. Ubi bia wa ubi bia. Ubi bia say we see China the game pepe. Wow, it's China and you saw your captain. God nigga. Oh, nice. Nyamishrawo. Na we maybe sawasem kakra wo. Anyi bia me ye panyine. Sabi wi asem panyi so obi ton na kokko be de kwa. Okay. Because o to abodo ni gu nsuo ni e bia wa adwen ye so won sabeka. Be pacho eye opekwan so na say just you like her.
Oh, that the kind say and no pekwanso because me ankasa no ho kania me be no oh na pena me pena asem oh na if you are going to buy so no baby a me be die no me betina omodwuma mu ho
okay
na me hwese ne edwumaru ano kwa de ne fa so sene osi ne kasa ene de or atete o de abofra nam na me ahomete
blah I'm sure pa now didn't pa they say
the game na no mudi ni me but unya kan Adam sa no ano
wow Adam the game Why are they papa? I'm just say I'm proud of you. We want someone. I do want someone who fast no aye you. Yeah. Enya ho kire pa na hu akora ikala on. Se na hu akora ikala. Na wo gina ho a. Na omo maame kala on. But if you ask no de besi bia eye. Na mesrew. E mo aba no mu akwa no what ya busu na san they say me na me wo mu ofapanyina maka it is a bibie ni a wo de na hu de nya den why na mo bia office opesa wo de boa no mesrew boa wo de nya den
e boa na kwapem say me no si bibia ya okay mo de mesrew
be that's pa na emwa na waka so obebwa no de mani age on we nua no on ne hia moa besra wo yesu boy no ono so ono so e fe say
ono madum kwa say meboa me na
cause ye buso no me nkwa na me chocolate
black
oh but some chocolate color
he was fairer than this.
Here any aho kire nya kreton fe ni sisi a
chocolate
ana me nya crema black kunya on enya adams jai timi srew se mobu anka onua no isuku hwem any ateno
boa me I want to go to school too.
You want to go to school? You know even work. Huh? You know even work. Don't think about your brother. You don't think about your brother.
He can take care of both of us.
Okay.
Let me do me now.
I'm sure what it. I mean to me family house I me can wo de ho ntimi say aha wo de me wa
for let me can de na ene ahode no ho nko ade
who say me kwa the phone na me because me important problem pa de me ntimi person na can tell we problem be pa but
uncle say it he will help you
we je you can say you can say baby am teno we see you me can the time so oh ha me papa ntimi ka me perfume yanka me wo de mama yanka me twa na me bia kwa akoso
any problem any problem dan kwa de wo de free and neko you know the wow pedan o try be o okay the full house and as apartment then be the about people
hey like seriously
seriously
hey
uncle
is very fine
what you want we dear Miss Row we no one for me dear mano you want come be me
something hiding something from you from my side I didn't then me know there then some there me hide there from you.
I don't actually know what you are doing, but as a movement assessor, you know, of late, movement assessor. Would the game them in himself know the movie, you know. I say there's been some changes here.
Now no there no.
Me movie be but some madam for now, I know you. And she said be in Korea, you know, meet me.
You know, everything is alright, everything is fine, but me see my culture cry. That fair lady no. When Ejewa on the unim no but me describe na be or your work apartment no. I was a red JCB.
Or Bokon
work is ni on the fair. Yeah, of late na say manager no. The CEO no over honom no. Me pia ko downstairs be no treat lady no. Na me feel bad until pushing forward making inquiries been in a casa but Charlie current situation here very very bad.
Oh really?
Hey, if you are free guy I would date you know any no it's very 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 bad. So of late now I say me drain me just me drain no me mobile
okay
so me pushing forward now me person if situation now person me born in the family no person me mom better place na girl no so me share na o feel comfortable until of late na say me drain ho ne me up and down till be na wo hu until I want say that your situation very bad.
Yeah, because I knew something was not going well. Now me knew what exactly was going on. But now me say what change kakra, movement assistant. You know, bro, what I would say is there is no problem in you helping somebody.
Yeah. That one, that one.
But you have to put it at the back of your mind. Say, what be worry? You know that, right?
Oh yeah,
Yes, exactly. And see, doing all this, don't forget about the fact, say, worry. Na nneɛma ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ a ɛde yie, exactly. Na biribi a bɛda tim na wayɛ.
But you know, it means me, I didn't mean distracting me, my region anyway.
I know nothing like that.
I'm just helping her, and my marriage side too is different. You know, I love Karen.
I know.
So yeah, so no crowd the men found compare me. Just
so do you normally do this? Do you go around helping people?
Oh, you know, say me to me, will be out, so I can't do that. But say if someone is closer to me, that's who say he or she is in some bad situation, then I have to help that person.
How closer are you to that girl? And I saw on the who feel it.
Oh, that be. Say apartment, I'm a team. I'm many who be quiet for so treating one. I don't know. Say,
well, I would say it's a good decision though. But anyone I'm cannot make sure say.
And I don't feel comfortable like.
Oh no, bro, Charlie, chill. I'm cool. You know, I'm cool. I just wanted to know what is going on. You know. Also, mommy update. Say this one because. Bro, obi any say me no movie.
Oh yeah.
It's all you baby na say minima. I won't say.
Yeah. But when me who say like and said I any big be antin come here no once be na man can.
Oh, me na kusi wa. You know, just let's keep it straight. Understand? The game.
Oh, yeah.
Time no day unipa. Mo wan emre na peka kana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya huda enu botumu au miniai.
No, the whole house.
No, it's the whole house.
The whole house, yeah.
So that can accommodate you and your uncle and your brother.
Yeah.
The whole house?
Yeah, the whole house. The whole house is good. It's fine.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah. I told you I'll give you a place to stay. No, almost have no crowd in shoe and lights no crowd there. And the problem
starts and the problem be anyhow.
Who is it?
Nice, it's nice. Yeah.
The place is so amazing.
Yeah, it's a very, very nice place.
We have a big compound as well. Just with this place. If you have a car, you can park it here.
Yeah, and even as time goes
Lisa,
on.
when am I supposed to move in?
Oh, we can move in.
Oh, from today going, you can come. Yeah. For a free and queen, any day be a wire rail and so baby, you'll be here.
So I'll make the payment today. So even if you want to come today or tomorrow, anytime. Yeah. And then you also have no shop on shop right when you move on Kenya car, Kitu Bicano. Listen, Kenya simple car.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah, sure. Anything.
Yeah. Yes, I have no small one. Yeah, so I'll try and get you some small car.
Thank you so much.
Oh, don't worry.
I would like to go inside.
Yes, I want to see how the place is.
Okay.
But how are we going to go about the bills? Like you said.
Just leave everything
the whole house
for me.
is for you. So any bills that will come, we just go and pay it.
Yeah. I'll take in charge of anything. Even if I'm not here, I'll leave everything for you.
Yeah, I'll be around.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I want to see the place.
Okay, we can go.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'll be around. No, come on, show me, bro.
We did the game. We did thank for seeing him to be pizza.
We did.
Oh, let it flow, bro. Let it flow.
Okay. If I read it, so you're the bonnet council. And so, if it is a J. Dine Mauba and Yembesra, then you say, Yabana, Yababesra. James, I feel one thing about.
We did men call him Sempa. Aja, why that Roma? And Aja, my baby, I see me say. Na enye nipa nyina na nya baby ma obesa akora ba be check you.
Okay.
Ahwe se de ohun sitie.
Okay.
In fact, me de aseda be si wadan fu iso. Na bra, danasema no wate.
Alright.
Me wo semo a men kan kire the game. And me wo die men fanye the game. Me boafo. Se kana sase su nyame a oyimi nyame. Hwe ewiase obi obetwetwe baby adu tiru beto. That is all you nyame pa. Wa bro me na mabusua. That you mean can all I'm seeing is say thank you the game. I appreciate for what you're doing to me. Oh, I'm very, very appreciate. I'm very, very appreciate.
As then you say, Miss Manyaka, me boa, a J1 in the bush. Ne say me smart for busu ne say mabusu enti no me bibia mama.
We see a done in the con. Oh, Charlie. Madam for was Charlie. Oh, Mumu nipa. Monfasa na nti what bla. Mo ya dia ma on. Me dia chisa. We kwa mo ba na mo ka che me sen ka me chi aponchi bi kum. Bo ni ti mo de la su kwa ma le. Yeah. Ba so bla o wi aponchi.
Sure, I do.
Prekwe?
No, I don't do that.
Prekwe na yam.
I'm sure you prekwe. Oh, to win ka aponchi pa na ragu.
Na ka dia e
sha ragu pa ragu ayache.
Ragu.
Ragu. Ugan.
All right.
Ugan ayache pa. Ni play rice.
Apa oje live.
Na me kuka. Your first to see bisa number. Yeah, na no aduane the man musicians no.
Enam no ni pepe.
Aduane am ni ye pie macaroni. Yeah, macaroni.
Macaroni.
What's a more kind of macaroni? Yeah, kind of macaroni. Do the boss your friend Mike. Or China no need can tell you lunch tell you am obi Italia.
Oh. China near friend of Mike.
A friend of Mike Shin. Yeah, but don't no come back abrofuni munti.
It's friend of Mike.
I mean shraw pa na me hu asema menka na yabusua ne de ye de ahwe wonsa
me so me kura ni ye
mate
no bibia
mate
me
we de asida ye ma me hwe na me nyam kwan kakra what that video what bro for where are you from?
I'm actually I'm a Ghanaian, but I was in US.
Yeah. Oh, US white place.
I was in Georgia.
In Georgia? Oh, are you living in Georgia?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's good. Are you a musician?
I'm not a musician. I'm into fashion. Yeah.
Oh, fashion designer.
Exactly.
Fashion designer. Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
I can see you're also a fashionista. Like Allah.
Oh yeah, I'm fashion before.
Oh,
I'm in South Africa.
You said you were a cook.
Me and after the cook, then I come to fashion. Okay. Me and Salifina, Jacob Zuma.
Oh wow, yeah. Wow. Yeah. All right. That's great. That's great.
So, that's nice. I think I saw you sing in schools.
I was singing in schools.
Schools.
Oh yeah, you know, I'm also a musician. I do sing.
I see you.
Yeah.
I see you now. I see you. Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm also a musician before.
Oh.
Yeah.
A cook, fashion
designer, and now a musician.
Yeah. My game you might be pretty.
Wow, that's great.
You must sell in the old bass. You know, near Bobon or them. That area pencil baba. They know I'm not selling the.
Can you please give me a sample of your song, maybe the freestyle?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Two things are not voice with it.
Oh my God!
That's him. You say you the studio until you are near you. I'm going to make you a Titanic cry.
Wow. Backing vocalist.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I worked before Ethel John.
What?
Ethel John.
He's also a musician.
Yeah, Ethel John. Yeah, I close to Ethel John long time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then you have so
Sacrifice.
many life experiences.
Sacrifice.
Easier there's.
Massa, Charlie, I bore you. What was that? Charlie, now lie, Beno.
What did I do wrong? Make us say Tiana.
Bro, I didn't know your phone, sir. What is that? No, wait, too. What is between you and that girl?
So what I'm saying, girl, no, there's nothing between us.
Exactly, there is nothing between you guys. Anything I say, why see up? Charlie, what's up? What is that? Now I don't know if you can say, bro.
Until the girl from me, this man catch us again, I catch up, still no girl no more.
Man, I know they like this thing. Charlie, you say na bema.
The girl's from a poor home. Charlie, it's me born in a bush and for.
Wait, I'm coming. And you'll be no right. assuming Karen find out see na wo yama o baby na say wonya nyesa ma na den na de beba
na say Karen no oye my wife to be me worry na more than that inti so who say me ye bibia ma ono beti ase onim say girl no like she's from a poor home me o say me boa no inti di na o say
bro ne wo ya ne me mani nji ho Charlie man can say I have a problem with you helping the family but then oh you have bro limit man me who
say me nya hwe kura me ndru ba bia no ka say me ya bro me limit I have a lot of plans for them Charlie I was say girl no you born a family no na because
again
onim say me Mr. Omo send papa or die as
yo bro o ba down me na me do ko movement we are bro wo ya na me yi mani ma wa ho betimi a kire wo huru no ne wo ya na nyema me ndwa so what you say ne wo ya na mi enye me de jai Charlie na oba wo na obo no ho ka sa e ana uni no lie bi wo mechi minim
you mean no lie senka oni meaning lie or say what you say girl no na ho kire no
that is why you have to show me jai no wo ya no bro and the children so me se papa na opese wo ya wo nam street say nkra bi begina ka no ho se uska ade na wo nche omunyan adopt omo ne wo ya ne nim bro
I don't know if I so personal
na ma fa ne personal say ne wo ya ne nim e na me twa adwen si so Charlie ne wo ya ne nim mo fa yo coach no to selling the on say den what's up bro ne wo ya ne nim mo feel ashon me dem aboha mo ma adwen no na ma aboha
girl no so dey me nye say the waka no tin na me be yi me niama no I will help her me me born in the family na to they are okay you have to understand what you say nye say me ye no
yo boys no rush wa en frame why say boys no be rush wa en frame say wo ya de ne kan wo say what say what for this awie no lie so wo sika na wo ye ne ope no lie boys no rush wa en frame obetimi kwa mefa boot aba
Edru yanko me na fa boot
digi fa o ka akọ
yanko drive ne yanko for your driving yanko de dru fia ne akasa
fa o ka akọ me fa boot aba
Uncle, how many times I called you?
3 times.
I called you 3 times, right?
Yes.
Listen to me very carefully. Asem ya make out on Ejiwa. The coming and Akufusu coming and LGMP and nine say. So when you see and I mean you should see this. Shakun boy you first wa boy. Eyi bibia Ejiwa. Shawana muntu ni. She so na be atutugu because anima mi hunu etrese boy no open.
Hey uncle.
It's true.
Nah. He's just helping us.
No. He love you.
Oh uncle, don't say that.
I'm your uncle. Me sure ya jiwa nyene. Se oba epe be ma fanfula. Ade no oye no. Me hu me se opew but enye bone. Eho ni sisi yedidi bo yi ba wa kwamu na nsape hwe but change your life your life I say zoo bibia dana ko
point
jeje was 1 to 2 ni meye na ko yi la fucking life ya a part she aye nyina ya ko
but uncle I think he has a serious relationship. When we were at the hotel he brought a lady.
Yeah, Bernice he brought a lady. Bema de on fa ho bema betimi agid 92 me ma ebi da be gid 92 na ba ko sa wura ha wie na wura ha the bema betimi aye de it is so fantastic all the way so many plenties it the make culture no hweniye tutuni me ye enko ye fucking lady a sa boy jimi fo no sa kwenkwe no
Uncle Queen has helped us a lot, so why are you
I'm just saying.
Are you still interested in Queen? After all this time, Ejewa, are you still interested in Ofa? I didn't amempiu. Na besia, bema fanboy so beba be wa di kama. E probi open boy.
Onu kwa intim kan ketre there awo etekenken. Aka wan be mu jima zi bezi wa.
Let's not forget how he has helped us. This person just came and you guys are lifting him up.
The small money he gave all the abuse that he was abusing.
At least he made you stay.
Ejiwa. So my boy we wrong. Oshie ya. Ejiwa mi twitwaw. Ebe yo 1
Ofa, show no mercy.
But what they make me miss row. I be Jebusian, why Busian flower? Oh, shrine, now shrine, now shrine, now shrine, now be shrine. Now shrine so going. Oh, shrine, the Amabusiano. It was slow. And not was the ampafu be a sebe. Manusi Simena so. I'm an infant high life, myself, make a come and say, oh, high life. Miss Row.
See how you're happy. Whenever we come to you to take money, then you be stressing us.
I'll give you. When you come to me to take money, I'll give you.
We ask for 500 cedis, you give us 80 cedis.
Hey, now Fabian will be selling 500 cedis when you take this man over.
Uncle, this one you didn't. Now because of me, you are getting money. Imagine when he starts working, the money you get.
Now can get money. Share. Oh, I feel quite ye baby, ye could ye baby.
Every time you be giving your money to girls, when we come, they be stressing us.
Yeah.
Now you are taking our money.
I also would there a monta on your ban. I'm montan. Na a ream bellade, not a biba fam. Also a biba count. I'm also a biba count.
Why are you telling the younger one to take care of the older? I'm the one who is older.
He's a man.
Hey,
he's a man.
You can't say that.
He's a man.
Ofa, don't worry. I'll watch over here. No man will come for her. No man.
No man at all your torso. I know Ninya don't suffer no be chow.
I said, guy, no, I thought I understand when you now too and see me.
It be new. And
he has bought him new set of clothes.
Now
and he said you give me money to braid my hair.
Oh, your hair is fufus because here is.
Say you buy wigs for me. And he has bought me a new phone.
Family a wig too. Near Wabusha, you know, buy this one. Oh, for that, I didn't make me
come there, DNA the time.
Can't call your home.
As I shouldn't know good.
Now, Bushiani Hinska, only a Bushiani Jinae. When you talk about Jinae, do you know Jinae? Do you know Jinae? What is Jinae? What is Jinae? You, what is Jinae? What is Jinae?
Stand well.
Stand well. Clap for her. Stand well. A person who stand well for family. Jinae. Junior Bushiani Jinae. Into Miss Row. The Jiwa Kode. Miss Row. What? For no better why any will be 20 why.
Time no day,
Hey, manager. I brought you here today.
Hey! Since you can't hey, Momo, you are saying here because we want to conceive. Hey! Hey! See, can see you, Sano? It's just feeling in our hide your mouth.
Yeah. For like 3 years.
Hey, one so bonny. I didn't know you are in a complete pleco. They want to feel many parallel painting. It's for your painting. You never be a
kind of just came to stay here. He will do everything.
So, a man here for you. But come again with pictures. We will take pictures because I
you can stand here and take pictures.
Hey, but why are dear? Why are dear? Sabah, now to quick now. You see what I could.
Oh, yeah. Do you expect me to still be with Queen after? Hey,
Queen will join.
Hey, he wants to come back.
Private, you know, Conconsan. What's the name of the person? What's the name? What's the wolf? I come and born a man. He said, no, your tata, no, so poor. I'm born for money. Sure, some of the person. So I know, says, happening. Go how? Bravo.
That's true.
Oh, life. This is a granting. See, we need
we are about to talk about the gossiping.
He says, "Oh, no, some say what you be boy."
That's what they are saying.
He says, "What you be boy in a boy new show, no boy I'm saying." This is why I did. What you boy know?
So they are not happy for me. I thought I come to say that they are happy for me and they'll come
to
visit me.
I bet you for no money in your mouth. Money, hey. Oh, I bet you for money by your mouth.
So they are saying I've snatched somebody's boyfriend.
Hey, I said yes or mocha. Hey,
but you think so too?
Hey, yes, I pay.
Hey, manager.
No, penny in a happen, say. It's a brand and movie Jana Manapo.
But we are not dating, no. He has not shown any interest. He doesn't like me.
I don't know about the man.
Why?
Hey,
No, you ain't about 100 so pen on Kabia.
He says he has not said anything like that, so
It was you, Jan Samanako.
I can't assume anything for him.
Hey! Oh, dear. What about a good Jaramanako?
Ah, so what should I do? Should I propose to him? I can't do
Shit!
that.
No, but I was a bra.
Manager.
Shit!
I can't do that.
Wait, you can't do that.
But he's doing it without me doing that. So what shows that I have to do something?
Tanahoy.
Ah.
Hey, Mamma Canjo. You shall see who go humano. Or bow pepper when you teach Reno. Obey, I do catch us up with Musi. What's make my tear say that?
Hey, manager.
Sure. Okay, German didn't say qua. No, she not give what advances so
I'm not dating. He's even doing this. It means he doesn't. He's not doing it because of anything.
What advances so I do so as I better bubu. And always I could
rebuke.
Hey, you're in a day. You're in a pampe. No, you know, come on, wouldn't come through. Number one son, a funny jai for. Now, if you my bed, I mean, I for papa. Let me see what my Jimmy put you in me and yet they back. Oh, but I have to so. Over Paname. Oh,
you won't even get invitation if it's my wedding.
Hey, Nankambe.
Share.
Nankambe,
you come and gossip about everything. You be like, my dress was too long, my dress was too short.
Hey, no, send me a candidate.
Right now that you came, you've observed things that I've not even observed in my own house.
Hey, no, say the engineer Kobe. So Kobe, you have heard when you be a can. What when you be a can? You
not stop the gossip.
Hey, the way me come here, be someone say, you may call. No, you are the engineer by no. Never penny no. As an infinity or the infinity. Oh, she see me pay skagaka. Oh, we say only a mobosia. We all the better. In your bosia. The crazy of me, yeah, quick, manager.
When I was there, I can go and take one cook and drink. Then you go and tell manager.
You are
lying. You are the one who goes to tell him. You go and tell him, then he will come and shout at me. Now you want money.
Time no day, unipa. Mo one embrace up a kakana sikaya branch.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, sir. Me a cram it my side even. I feel I'm one about so I'm also a dear day. My name you are Monsieur Bocho. You are.
I the other.
You are. For me, a dear my name. You want kasa. Why?
Is that the best apology you can give? Oh, continue talking. Apologize. Oh, continue kneeling. Is that all? New and you are begging someone that you are getting up. New, continue.
You are the lady. I say, oh, okay. That's one massive. Sure. Catch me at it. It means
right now, I've moved on. So all that you are saying. It's like you're ranting. I can't even hear anything you're saying.
You are
what?
Sisi, I'm moving on.
Yes, I've moved on. I've realized that all the time that I stay with you, you didn't really value the time that I stay with you. So I've also moved on, and I'm valuing every moment I spend outside your life.
You've
helped me a lot, honestly. You've helped me a lot, but you also did some bad things that I can never forget. You also sacked me just because of one thing that I did. I stayed with you for so long and I did nothing wrong, but just because I couldn't give you the money that I had earned myself, you sacked me from your house. So how do you expect me to be okay?
I'm sorry.
I've accepted your apology, but don't think that I'm coming back. For me to come back?
Yes.
Oh.
Sure, I would
have been a really cheap girl to come back. Please, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back. You can move on. Okay, right now I've moved on.
You need me move on.
Try.
Need me
because I've moved on. As you can tell, I've moved on.
You say me throw crown from a call.
When I was with you, you bought a yam for me. I was even excited. See what your fellow guy has bought for me. And you keep on bragging about what you've done. What did you do? What did you do?
You are. Me one I know tell you. To am who say Scanty. And we jamming what for.
You were harassing me. You were abusing me there.
Ajay, your baby, I know you.
Explain it like this to others. Let them know what you did. Let them know that you used to hate me.
Fine, I know.
From your house.
Listen, fine, I know. Say my name may be on my uncle ye, but until I'm a poor child,
That's not how the world works. You can't come at any time in your convenience to come and apologize to somebody and expect the person to just accept the apology. Please, I have forgiven you, but for me to come back, it's a no.
But at least you can talk to your uncle, right?
About
so me like me in now. Bit my uncle
doesn't care about you.
I know.
If I forgive you or not, he's living his comfortable life now. So he doesn't care whether you've been forgiven or not. He's just there. You see how you are sweating? I'm leaving. Should I go? I don't even have to ask you.
Ajay. Hey. Barrier see I did be on this a free one sansa. Ajay.
Hey, at this point, I don't even feel like telling you anything again or drawing your attention to anything. You see what you've caused? Huh? Now he has no feelings for you again. I knew this might happen, so I told you right from the beginning. Kevin, you need to stick to the plan. Now he has feelings for that girl. He has generated feelings for that girl.
Who? Which girl?
That's that fair girl. Is it a Jewa or is it? Yeah, Jewa. That girl. That waitress.
The one that we see.
The girl you treated poorly. The girl you did that to. Now you see.
What did I do? So I shouldn't have taken action. Somebody was just looking at my husband.
And what did that action cost? What good did that action bring? Nothing. It brought nothing. That action you are talking about brought nothing.
So why are you blaming me?
Who should I blame? Who? Should I blame myself?
Your friend.
I should blame my friend. Do you even hear yourself? Huh? Do you hear yourself?
Do you know where she stays?
I don't know where she stays. Why should I know where she stays? I don't even know her. I know nothing about her. I just know her name.
So what are we going to do now?
I've been telling you, guys, all we need is when you're dealing with guys, you have to be very patient. Kerry, you have to be very patient with us. If you stress us, we go. That's how we are. Guys, that's how we are. We hate stress. We don't like it.
Can you stop yelling?
Why should I stop yelling? Now you come on. Pick it for me. This is what you've caused. What should we do now? What?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. You have to do something about it.
Okay, stop that. Who caused this? Are you not the one? I'm trying to convince him. I've tried my best to let him know that no, he shouldn't do this. But yet he's like, no. How you behave towards him is not good. So
I was also doing my best.
I think that girl is the one that gives him peace. You know, he finds peace in that girl.
Let's find where she stays.
And do what? Huh? Then do what? Go and beat her or what? Go and warn her.
Tell her to stay away.
Come on, you see what? Do you hear yourself? I should go and tell Ajay to stay away from the game. Really? Come on. I can't do that. I can't come down to that level, girl.
He's a friend. He listens to you.
All I can do now is to try my best to convince the game to come back to you. I am trying and it's not working. I don't know what to do next. So you have to try your part to argue. What should I do?
Anything. He's your friend. You know him better.
I'm trying my best. Yeah, I'm just trying.
Maybe your best is not enough.
I can't assure you that he will come back to normal, but I'm just trying my best. You shouldn't have done that in the first place. I told you.
I had no other option.
Something, so you have to stick to the plan. Just come down to it. Calm down. Even if he slaps you, you say thank you, then move on. We know what we want. At the end, who is going to benefit? Us.